what is good, Wavy Gang, man? Hey, look, we are back for another video, man. Hey, so look, as you can tell by that title, man, so got little curls, you feel me? And we're gonna go to the waves, you know what I'm saying? So, ain't nothing too crazy, and that little curl, whoop the whoop, you feel me? But yeah, so look, we about to do wash and style, as y'all know. That's all we do, wash and style, wash and style, wash and style. And then we're gonna get the waves back. We're gonna see how it looks from this, you know what I'm saying? And then to the 720s, see how much progress and stuff we can make off this. Before we start, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, man. Do it all, man. Let's get right into this video.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
This is just horrendous. We're supposedly
Going so fast, hope I don't crash. One false move, that could be my last.
Go!